Namaste YouTube, this is Ambi. Today we will talk about PowerShell again, and so it's one left arrow, one right arrow, and in between two hashtags. So if you type that, then you will have this. So whatever that you type inside it, or in between these two, that will be neglected by the script, because PowerShell is designed to consider this or whatever that comes in between these two symbols here as a comment, a header comment or main comment description. So here today we will talk about symbols, right? So what symbols do we have here? So this is the first one, right? Name, and it is Ambi. I will say name if it prints. So $sign is for variable, so $sign means variable. I would say $sign is let me type this way, so this is much better. So $sign is always variable. Then we have an array. This is an array or a list. So what is it? Names equals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to list different names what I have, and Ganesh and Gaju. Ambi, right? So I will press F5 here. So as you can see, it just printed out all the lists. So what next thing is, I mean, there are a lot of other symbols too, but these are kind of very important and basic ones. This is hash table. If you are coming from Python background, then it is same as dictionaries in Python. So let's see what is this. I will say colors, and I'm going to list out the colors and the kind of stuff that I have for that color. So first one is red. I have a short for each exercise. And then I have green here, which is for, what do I have in green? I have something wrong here. Okay, what is this? Right, why? Oh, oops, sorry. Yeah, as you can see, if something is wrong, it's gonna tell you that there is something wrong here. So green, what do I have in green? I have bottle. Yeah, I still have a problem. What is the problem? What does it say? Missing equal operator. Where is the missing equal operator? This is correct. Okay, that is why I know it's recommended not to mix and match double quotes and single quotes. It usually happens. I do that. I have a bad habit. Sometimes I want to get lazy. I want to use single quotes and then switch to double quotes habit. Then I will go for blue. And blue, what do I have? I have a blue jacket, and I have a black sweat jacket. So difference between list and dictionary. So as you can see here, you have the name. So first value will always be the name, and then the value that I have assigned. So key and the value, name and the value, right? How to use them in while scripting, programming, reading, right? We will see that later. One warning though, you don't want to use, when you are using variable, right? We don't want to use whatever that is there, whatever that comes up here. You just press $, press tab here, and you will see all of them. I mean, it will also show up colors and all those which I have created, except name and colors. You see all these here. You don't want to use them. I mean, fruits. That is because I'll tell you why the fruits should not come. No, I will type ISC again. I will launch. Okay. So yeah. Now you press $, here. Name is there. Colors is there. So whatever that is there here. Okay. Whatever that you see, whose length is more than 1 character, don't use them because they are of no use. Let's say $host, right? If I press F5, it's going to print host, but if I try to assign my name to it, it will not, it will ignore that. So never ever use system names. Exclude them when you are using variables. So that's all for today, and you have a great day. Subscribe now, right? Take care.